Today I'm going to teach you how to release quiz scores in Google Forms. This feature is incredibly useful if you want your students or participants to receive instant feedback right after completing their quiz, making the assessment process more efficient and engaging. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the quiz you want to modify, as this will ensure you can make all the necessary changes. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, look for the section labeled Recent Forms and click on the specific form you want to release quiz scores for. This will open up your quiz in edit mode, giving you full control over its settings and configurations. Once your form is open, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find several options. Click on Settings. This is where you'll access all the important configurations that control how your quiz behaves and how results are shared with participants. In the Settings menu, navigate to the option that says Make this a quiz and toggle it on if it isn't already activated. This step is crucial because it transforms your regular form into a quiz format, enabling scoring capabilities and grade release options that wouldn't be available otherwise. Next, still within the settings, look for the section labeled Release Grades. Here you'll see different options for when participants can view their scores. Click on immediately after each submission. This setting ensures that as soon as someone completes your quiz, they'll instantly see their score and any feedback you've configured, providing them with immediate results, rather than having to wait for manual release. Now that your quiz settings are configured, head over to the upper right toolbar and click on Copy Responder Link, then click the Copy button. This link is what you'll share with your participants, and it's also what we'll use right now to test that everything is working correctly. Open a new tab in your web browser and paste the link you just copied. This will take you to the quiz as if you were a participant taking it for the first time. Go ahead and answer all the questions in the quiz. Don't worry about getting them right or wrong for now. This is just to test the functionality. Once you've completed all the questions and submitted the quiz, you'll immediately see your score appear on the screen. This confirms that your settings are working perfectly and that participants will receive instant feedback as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your Google form to release quiz scores immediately after submission, making the assessment experience seamless for everyone involved. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.